going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning, guys. We are in a good mood. You guys already know who won. I'm going to start the live trading here over in the premium. Yo. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Elections have been made, guys. Elections have been made. Now, I woke up, the first thing I did was check my phone, and I woke up with a big smile on my face. So, you guys already know what that means. Let's get back to work. Alright, guys. So, right off open, I'm already seeing a bias that I really like. But I had a setup a second ago and it disappeared. Too much selling coming in. Now, the market ended up taking out London highs right here, and we ended up taking out this 788 level, which I have from previous level. I don't know how far away this level is. Seems like it's really far away. But I wanted to take out. Wait, 788. Wait. Which level am I talking about? 788. I think I might have passed. Yeah, 788. This level right here, guys. This level right here. Now, with us having so much selling coming in, of course, my bias is really bearish. Now, I'm trying to find something to enter off of, and I wanted to try to risk it and try this 5-minute really small fair value gap. It's not even a valid one. But the thing is, I'm not trying to catch myself forcing a trade. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if we can form a fair value gap in this candle. And I'm not even going to target this one. I want to target 580, right? So I'm already getting a really nice reading right off open. It's looking pretty, pretty nice, pretty clean. But we just need to make a setup here. Now, we had one right here, and literally as the candle was about to close, the market just sold off, and I'm like, bruh. You know what I mean? Now, hopefully this candle right here can hold us down. With the market being so volatile, 70 points. I'm more than positive that every candle today is going to be more than 40 points. So we're going to have a lot of fair value gaps to really work with, because obviously Trump won, markets are going crazy, volume everywhere, people investing and all that stuff, right? So now that we have a good reading in the market, that's out of the picture. We know where the market wants to go to, right? It's a 70-point candle. What do you mean it's not valid? Well, you got to keep in mind, half of the candle already got filled, bro. Look at the wick right here, right? So you could trade it. Don't get me wrong. It's just not something I would do because it's not super perfect. You guys know me. I like to make sure that everything is perfect so the trade goes in my favor, right? But when you guys are measuring this candle, yeah, the entire candle is 78 points, but you guys got to keep in mind half of the candle already got filled, right? Which is not what we want to see. What about the fair value gap below? There is no fair value gap below. There is nothing more below. So, what do I personally want to see? Right, you're blessed. I passed my first eval. Yeah, guys. First of all, congrats, bro. I've been seeing a lot of you guys have been passing your evals, which is huge. Right, you guys traded the overnight session. If not, you guys traded the opening market. Right, guys. And I forgot to refill my water. Wow. Okay. Well, I have to go do that in a second. Anyways, guys. So what we're doing right here, if the market can hold this candle down for one more minute, we will have ourselves a very nice fair value gap. So what we could do here is, we know that the market has room. First of all, we know that the market wants to switch the bias over to a mini bearish bias, as we're getting a lot of selling after we took out liquidity at 788. Now, with us taking out liquidity at 788 and sellers stepping in, we're creating a very nice bearish value gap. So in this case, we're not really looking for a reversal, right, or an inverse. Why do I say that? Well, first of all, guys, mainly, we don't have anything to inverse, right? We had something, but it wasn't perfect, right? And it couldn't hold up. So what do we do in this case? Well, what we do, guys, is we wait for this fair value gap to maybe close, hopefully in 30 seconds, right? And we look for a simple retracement into this fair value gap right here, and then we look for a rejection to go ahead and go into 580. That is the current game plan right now, guys. So we'll see. So far, selling is looking beautiful. I'm just hoping we don't sell off too hard to the point where we take out liquidity before we get a retracement or a setup, because you guys know we're hyped because we want to get some trades going. That's the whole point of this, guys. But yeah, here, let me go ahead and check up on my YouTube to make sure that it is live while we wait for that setup to form. And in the meantime, while we also wait for that setup to form, I'm going to go ahead and get some water because I am very thirsty. Let me see. I'm going to put this out real quick, guys. Give me 1 second. There we go. Can I revive it? Nah, if you blew it up, just buy a new one. Just buy a new one. The same way. But yeah, guys, while this gap forms, hopefully it holds up and we get a retracement. Hopefully we don't keep selling off so hard. But I'll be back in 2 seconds, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water real quick. I'm back. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. All right. So I was really crossing my fingers that I didn't come back to a huge selling candle, which I didn't, which is a good thing, a blessing thing, right? So, guys, like I said, the game plan right now is now that we know that the market trend is, I'm not gonna say not really bearish, but we definitely want to see lower, right? At least into 580, right? So what I want to see here is, of course, for sellers to hold this down, but not too down to the point where we don't get a retracement, which would look like this. All we need here, guys, is a simple retracement into this fair value gap, and then we go down to liquidity down here at London lows. That's all we need, guys. That's literally the game plan for this morning. Now, the thing is when the only problem here is, although the setup looks perfect, guys, is when there's too much selling. You guys know, too much is pretty bad, right? We gotta balance it out. So we need some buyers to kind of try to hold this up so we can get a retracement, and then we reject, right? Because there's gonna be times where we create a fair value gap and we just never go into it, which is gonna be a big problem, right? So that's kind of what I'm worried about for now. With the selling being too strong, I don't know if we're gonna just shoot straight down to 580 and not get an entry, or you maybe get an entry. You know what I mean? That's the only problem that I have my fingers crossed for. Let's see if we can catch something off of it. But yeah, one indicator do you have? It's called ICT kill zone. ICT kill zone. It's this one right here. If you search about ICT kill zone plus pivot, yep. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can get a nice rejection here. Man, I'm hyped. I woke up super tired. I'm like, I didn't even notice I fell asleep yesterday. And I woke up, the first thing I did was open my phone. Trump. I'm like, shit, let's go. But yeah, guys. Let's see. Buyers are stepping in here, which is a good sign. We just don't need too much buyers. You know, we just need some buyers, you know, just to hold us up a little bit. I'm worried about a good stop loss. 25 points, bro. The usual. So let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. Remember, bro, we have to go into the fair value gap, and then wherever we reject, we wait for a 20-point rejection, and then we use the high of the rejection as our stop loss. No more sizing. I'm probably gonna do like 7 today. You know, like the market looks good. There's no news or anything, but remember, it's Trump got elected, so the markets might be going super crazy. So be careful. Now let's see if we can get a retracement. Hopefully, we just don't sell off, because that's gonna be a very big issue. Now, yes, took out London lows, but it's not really a big deal here. Right? Oh, well, now it is. Yeah, we took out 905, which could be a pretty big deal here. But if the selling is strong, I mean, we could probably see lower. You know? Well, keep in mind, ES is also at all-time high, so if, you know? Let's see, hopefully NQ can hold this up a little bit just for 10 seconds. Just for 10 seconds, come on now. I'm really hoping we don't sell off. Guys, if we sell off, I'm going to be so sad. I'm going to be so sad, because we have the setup here. But if we take out liquidity before we take out the setup, we might be cooked. We might be cooked here. But we need one small retracement. That's all I ask for. One small retracement. One small, and even ES has the same one here. One small retracement is all we ask for, chat. Please, please, just into this. At least into 695. That's all I ask for. So we can get a nice entry. We get a good setup, and we're good to go. But fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Come on, we're slowly climbing up here. We're slowly climbing up here. All we need is one small retracement into this fair value gap, and we're good to go. That's all we need. That's all we need. Come on. Just pump up 20 more points. It's not that hard in a market like today. Yeah, literally 25 points. Come on. Come on, buyers. Anyways, in the meantime, let me catch up with the chat. Let me see. Even if it's taking, ITH. What's ITH? Do you see a 20 or 25 point stop loss? It depends. I'm still waiting to see how we reject off this fair value gap. To go ahead and see it. But buyers are trying to step in, guys, but sellers are in too much control, guys. Like I said, I'm confident we see 580. I'm just not as confident if we're going to see the retracement into the fair value gap. Now, that's a gamble. That's a 50-50. It all comes down to buyers. That part I can't read with you guys, or for you guys. But I'm just hoping we can get one mini push-up. That's all we need, guys. Tweaking the ChatGPT bot. What times do you trade NYAM? Okay, NYAM 9:45 till 11:30. Lunch I don't trade, and PM session after 1:30 till market close. So 9:45 till 11:30. Then I don't do lunch, and then I come back PM session for 1:30 PM EST till 4 PM EST. Could you give me a stop loss in numbers? I mean, bro, if I had it, I would, bro. Trust me, I would have been done it. We haven't even gotten an entry, and you guys are talking about stop loss. But guys, buyers are really struggling here, guys. We need buyers to retrace into this. Oh, that's all I asked for. Come on. I have such a good setup for you guys. Why didn't you like the 5-minute inversion? We didn't have any inversion. We didn't inverse anything. Trade this. Yo, how do we see the amount of points in a position for a stop loss? It's right here. When you place your the long position with using this, you'll see it right here. Right? Stop 25.25. This is your points. And then the target is 115 points. Why wouldn't you trade that fair value gap? Cause look at the candle. Half of the fair value gap already got filled. But guys, no. Damn, we're breaking lows, guys. This is the one thing I didn't want. I know we're gonna see 580. I know we're gonna see it, but I'm not gonna force out a position in the middle of nowhere. It's just so we get stopped out. I missed the trade. There's no trade, bro. There's no trade. Not yet. We haven't got an entry. Wait. Hold up. We might pump up. Who knows? Who knows? Can you send the link to the indicator? Yeah, bro, I got you. There you go. I see. I mean, buyers just stepping in. This is happening very nice. Why didn't you take this small fair value gap? Guys, I just didn't like it. Half of the fair value gap got filled. Look at the wick. It's not something I would take. I'd rather wait for a better fair value gap here and get a possible better rejection. Got back walk my dog. I thought we were in, so I made bruh. Bro, it's like I know we're gonna go down. I'm so confident we're gonna go down. It's just like, just give us the fair value retracement. That's all I asked for. Just one retracement into this gap. That's it. Just one. Come on. It's literally not even 5 points away. Just one little push up. One little push up. So to confirm, 9:45 to 11 a.m. The trades. Yeah, exactly. That looks right. How many cons will I do? I will do like seven cons from my usual 10. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Guys on YouTube, if you guys want to go ahead and join the premium, click the first link in the description. Guys, use code 50 for 50% off any premium upgrade. Alright, guys? It was just a little plug. Alright, I'm back. Okay, guys, we retraced into the fair value gap. My bad. No. I've been here. I was here. I just had to talk to YouTube for a second. But guys, alright. Let's see. Okay, we're getting the retracement here, guys. Let's see what we can work with here. Hopefully we just don't push up through this whole entire fair value gap. Then that would be stupid. You know what I mean? But let's see. Buyers are in some strong control right now. So hopefully we don't get an inverse. Because that would be pretty ugly. Right? Because then the whole setup will be gone. But let's see what we get here, guys. Let's see what we get here. NQ looks a lot stronger than ES. So we'll see. Hopefully we just don't completely inverse this fair value gap. Because that will make sense. But let's see, guys. Let's see. We're still winning on a good entry here. We're looking for a rejection, first of all. Not even an entry. We're waiting on that. Let's see if we can get something good here. ES is in the midpoint, so with ES being a lot weaker than NQ, hopefully we get a rejection soon and we don't keep breaking highs here, because then that would be ugly. Oh, yikes! That is not good. That is not good. That is not what I expected. So let's go ahead and, well, we could probably still get a rejection here just because we didn't break above. So I'll give this just one last shot, just in case. Just in case. Who knows? Maybe we get a huge rejection and the fair value. Because keep in mind, guys, ES is still inside of the fair value gap. You guys know ES is the weak one here with the SMT. So maybe we could still get a rejection. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I never really do this, but with me being so confident that I believe we're gonna see lower, I would probably even take the risk. I'll probably take the risk. I just like this 580 level way too much. And if we get a rejection from the top of the fair value gap where we fake out and make traders think that it's an inverse, and we sweep that, it'll be perfect. But I'm gonna see what we can work with here, guys. Because I want to see the reaction off this gap here on ES. Keep on, guys. This is gonna be super risky because this setup right here, like, technically it's not valid, but I'm so confident in 580 that I want to take shorts. Like I want to give it a shot so bad. Like I really want to try shorts here, guys. You don't understand. But I gotta wait for ES to I gotta wait for ES to what's it called? To show weakness, which it seems like it's doing, but not so much yet. So I'm still waiting on it. Like NQ struggling to go higher. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try shorts here. Fuck it. I'm gonna try shorts here, guys. I'm playing light, by the way. I'm playing before you guys enter. I'm playing this light. I'm playing this super light. I'm playing this extremely light. I'm playing this extremely light. I just like shorts way too much. Like I'm really confident we can see lower. I just like this too much, guys. I just can't. I just can't. I like this way too much. ES is getting weak. NQ is getting even weaker. I mean, it's a no-brainer here, guys. I'm gonna take the risk. By the way, guys, I'm sizing extremely light, so sells, shorts. I just like 580 way too much. I'm confident we see it. Even if we get stopped out, I'm sure we see 580 by the end of the day. Yes, guys, extremely light. I'm gonna take a big risk here and just say fuck it. I just, it's not something I usually take, but I mean, shit, we're banking. We're making bank. So, guys, make sure extremely light, please. For the love of God, just listen to me, guys. Just listen to the sizing, just for once. Extremely light. But yeah, guys, we saw 20 points there, right? Yeah, 25 points. I didn't even notice. 25 points there. I didn't manage to get any trims there because I wasn't even paying attention, but let me see. So far, we've gotten a nice sell-off. We need ES to show a little bit more weakness, so NQ could hold down. But yeah, we saw 25 points here. I just wasn't. My dumbass wasn't paying attention. I didn't manage to get any trims there. Hopefully, that doesn't mess me up in the long run. Hopefully, that doesn't mess us up in the long run. ES still seems really weak compared to NQ. So far, buyers and sellers are kind of fighting for a position here, but I really do believe sellers can really step in. Guys, my confidence in 580 is up there. I don't know if we're going to get stopped out beforehand or whatever, but guys, my confidence is really up there. I really do believe in 580. Maybe by the end of the day, maybe in this position, who knows? But we're breaking lows here, guys. Guys, I'm going to go and trim. I'm trimming. You guys get the point. I'm trimming here, guys. I took some trims here. That's how many points? 30, right? Yep, 35. Guys, I am taking some trims here. Please, for the love of God, trim. Please. Trim. Alright, guys? I don't want to hear anyone complaining that, oh, you know, I didn't hear you trim. No. I'm saying it a million times. Trim. Let's get it. How many points is that? 40 points. Bet. If you guys want to make this trade risk free, you could. But for me, I took a good chunk of trims there, so honestly, this trade is practically risk free. I'm happy with it. How you guys sitting? Guys? Let me know in the chat. How are you guys sitting? Here, let me write this alert over real quick, because right now buyers are kind of fighting a little bit. Yeah, so far so good, guys. So far so good. How are we sitting, guys? How are we sitting? Up 400, up 250. But I like to see those 200s. It shows me that you guys size light. Now, if you guys are making 1,000, then you guys, the size light just went through in one ear and out the other. If you guys want to do a break-even stop loss, you could. Me personally, I'm going to hold this just because I want to see 580. And I'm not in too many contracts, so even if this goes against me, I'll still be pretty green. Alright, guys? But yeah, no one in here should be red at all. You didn't say... No, bro, come on now, bro. Get out of here. But yeah, fully out, 422, up 422. Nice, guys, nice. Made 300. How are you guys sitting? Let me know in the chat. A quick scalp, we'll take it. We're happy with it. We are happy. YouTube, how you guys do it? How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Guys, we had 150 people on YouTube. That's the most I've ever had in my life. Wow. That was a quick one. Good shit. Hey, yeah, guys, quick scalp. Honestly, I think we can get one more trade going, but I'm going to hold these last contracts. Like I said, do not follow me. You know, if you guys want to set your stop loss at break even, do it. I believe we can see lower. So, I'm going to hold these final contracts. I don't care if they go red. I probably won't lose too much. But I really do want to see 580. I'm too late to get in. Oh, yeah. Way too late, my man. Way too late. Yeah. Trump 1 is the perfect time to market your Discord. No case, I will go crazy with the marketing. Yeah, bro, I'm trying here, man. I'm going to try my best. Did you say you were in? Bro, guys, nah, you gotta be trolling, bro. You gotta be trolling. Bro, I said it like 1,000,001 times, bro. We're trim, Nah, guys, stop trolling with me, man. Today is not the day. Come on now. But now, this was a pretty good scalp. Although we kind of inversed this for value gap, which I wasn't really expecting, it was a pretty good one. Is always the red guy, practically. Any thoughts on a re-entry? No. Right now would be, if anything, we will wait for another setup, which it seems like I might get stopped on these final contracts, which I don't really mind, because I think I want to get one more trade going for today, guys. Let's see. These buyers came in strong, man, but I don't even care. Alright, yeah, guys. I'm out on my final contracts. A quick scalp. Didn't make too much, but I'm still green on the day, so I'm happy with it. Now, let's try to get one more trade going, guys. Let's try to get one more trade going. You know, with the volume being nice today, guys, we should be good to go for one more trade. But how are you guys doing? Bias is shifting. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I still think we go lower. There's no reason for us to go. Dang, one more trade? Yeah, let's do it. Are you still green? Yeah, bro. I'm up 200 on the trade, guys. 200. I trimmed most of my contracts off at the sell-off at around 37 points. And my final 2 contracts got stopped out. You guys are in longs. What the hell? I mean, well, I need to see what the bias does here. But I'm gonna give the market some more time to create another setup, and then we go from there. How many contracts are you going with? I did 7. 7 contracts. You see, up 230. Nice, bro. Nice, nice. Bro, Trump won. Why would you be bearish? Just because he won doesn't mean the market's gonna go up, bro. Just because he won does not mean that the markets are only gonna go up. Loud ass, bro. You're still holding for 580, bro. You have some big balls, bro. Let me tell you. But I really do believe in 580. Like I'm gonna try to get one more entry for shorts to make a little bit more from that scalp. But I really believe in 580. Like, I'm really confident in 580. That London low is just calling our name. You guys don't understand. I didn't trim. Was waiting to take full pro. Oh no. No, that's where you messed up, bro. That's where you messed up. But I'm gonna try to get one more setup for you guys, so we can go, be really good from that. How many points did you trim when you were up? 37. 37 points. Let me check something real quick. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. Cons? Oh, how many I trimmed? 5. 5. I did 5 and left 2. And then those 2 got stopped on the red. So I give up back some profits, but I'm still green. And you guys should be too. Most of you guys, from what I'm seeing. So we're pretty good on that for now. Thanks. I got you guys. I got you. 100%. By the way, guys, if you guys are green, guys, go post those wins in the wins channel. Go flood that channel. I'm gonna try to give you guys one more trade because it's a little bit early. It's only 10:14. We can get one more trade going, guys. We can get one more trade going. Got 25 points. Bet. Last I missed a trade. It's all good, bro. It's all good. Guys, if you let me see, bro. I can't post my wins on the win channel. What does it say? Guys, if you guys make profits, guys, go flood this channel right here. Hold on, let me screen share everything. Hold up. Guys, go post your wins in this channel. There's not enough, guys. There's only 6 here from today. Oh wait. Couldn't have done it without blast. Oh my man. I didn't even see this last night. Oh wait, no, this was this morning. Oh shit. $5 away from funded, bro. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wait for if the market wants to go up, I'm either gonna wait for 804 to get or 805 to get swept. If not, maybe 846. But I really want to see 580 by the end of the day, guys. You guys do not understand. Now, we did make, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. But I'm not gonna trade it just yet up until we take out 805. You're looking for a seller along the next one? Not yet. I don't know yet, bro. I gotta look at the bias. Why do you like 80 so much? 580 so much? Okay. If you zoom out, the only level, okay, the market trend was at the time that we took the trade was bearish, right? The reason it was bearish is because we took out liquidity at the highs, right? ES as well is at all-time highs, and it wanted to sell off, right? So with the buys being bearish, the only main level of liquidity that we have nearby with the market trend being bearish is 580, right? If you really look like really closely, you will know that there's really nothing stopping us up until 580. So the market could just easily just sell off up until 580 until we take it out, and then we could reverse, right? So just reading the model, we know that where the market wants to go to. We just don't know when it wants to go to it. That's the problem, right? So it's just a clear level. It's just drawn London lows, drawn liquidity. We have nothing stopping us up until that level. Now you guys might argue, hey, don't we have drawn liquidity at 642? We do, but this level is not as strong as 580 is. So with the trend being bearish, it's pretty simple. If the selling is strong, it's pretty common sense that we're gonna take out 580. So that's why I like it so much. Now, if we don't take it out today, we could take it out tomorrow or the next day. Who knows? Continuation bottle from this Friday up into 805. You could probably do it, but I probably wouldn't. I probably wouldn't. Not something I really like too much, because I want to wait for more of a clear trend, right? The reason I'm not looking to take longs right now, guys, is because the market is reversing out of really nothing. If you guys really think about it, we haven't really swept any major level of liquidity, so I personally don't know why the market is reversing or going up, but we'll see. We will see. How do you just click and make a line? You just click this and that's it. It's reversing because Trump is a GOAT. I guess so, guys. You can't really argue with that. But yeah, buyers are too strong. Yeah, I mean, guys, it's Trump got elected, man. You guys, but guys, with this volume that we have today, expect this volume for probably the rest of the week. Shit, maybe even the rest of the month. Commentary tomorrow? No, guys, I do not do FOMC. I will not commentate on something I wouldn't suggest you guys to trade. So yeah, guys, remember, tomorrow is FOMC. Be careful with that. Be careful with that. Bring back Tesla calls? Bro. Remember now the bias is literally bullish for the next 4 years at least. Bro, technically, yeah, technically. But guys, you don't understand. I'm so hyped, bro. Like, I was literally like praying for this, guys. You don't understand. Like, I don't really care who you guys voted for. You know what I mean? Like, I can't really do anything about that. But guys, you guys gotta understand, businesses love this, right? And when businesses are doing good, the economy is doing good, and everything is doing good, you know what this means, guys? Everything moves like crazy. People want to invest. People are not scared to invest. And what ends up happening else? What ends up happening? The markets move. The markets move like crazy. So guys, I am hyped, bro. No more chop. Well, from what I know, from what I think, guys, no more choppy markets. None of that shit. We're practically good now. We're practically good now. Of course, the markets are just not gonna magically be super good, like, out of nowhere. He has to start doing stuff that the economy likes, that investors like, which I'm sure he's gonna do, and then people start buying. So guys, I'm excited, man. This next month, these next few years, I'm gonna try my best to help you guys become millionaires. But here. Let me see. But yeah, bro. Let me see. Bro, you're awesome. It was more. Wait, it was even more awesome when I found out Devon and Blastoise were the same person. Bro, wait, bro, you're new to the Primo, bro. Welcome, bro. I didn't even know. Welcome, bro. Welcome. What's up? I didn't even know you just joined, bro. Welcome to the team, my man. Millionaires, that's it? I mean, bro, come on now. Funded? Hey, bro, congrats, my man. Congrats. Guys, okay, guys, how many of you guys got funded either last night or this morning? Because I've been getting so many DMs saying, bro, I just got funded. How many of you guys got funded? I'm new too. I just made 60 bucks. A win's a win. Hey, bro, we can't complain, bro. You're 60 bucks richer. Funded 300k eval. Bro, that is something, bro. Almost funded. I should have gotten funded. I should have sized heavier. It's all good. It's all good. We'll be back. Got funded last night. Bro, guys, last night I was doing my mentorship class and the markets were just ripping. I'm like, bro, do I trade something? Like, what do I do? But yeah, no, last night was pretty fun. Passed my first ever eval this morning. Okay, for those that don't know, guys, when you guys pass your eval, stop trading for the day. Wait for the market to close at 6 p.m. EST. You're gonna get an email from Apex saying congratulations. Here's the documents that you need to sign, and here's how you get the funded account. I hate should have. Yeah, no, 100%, 100%. Should have, could have, would have. You know what I mean? Got funded one more account, 11 PAs, bro. You're catching up to me, my man. I'm at 13. I'm still waiting for this 90% off. I'm cheap. You know what I mean? There's 80% off going on. I want 90. Right? Once the 90% comes up, which should be by Black Friday. You guys know how Apex is. I'm more than positive they're gonna do a discount for Black Friday. But yeah. Do you have a trading drawdown on PAs? You do, but not forever. Frank, after you make $2,000 on your PA account, well, for the 50K account at least, once you guys cross $52,000, your drawdown freezes at $50,100. Yeah, yeah. But man, I'm hyped, guys. I'm super hyped. We got a quick scalp for 40 points. I don't even know if that, I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. I am really, really happy with it. But yeah. What's the 846 level? Oh, 846, if you zoom out, we have a level, it's pretty far back, don't get me wrong. But we have an 846 level, oh, damn, this is far. Right here. We have an 846 level right here, which is where the market found the top, sold off, pulled back, found a new top, sold off, pulled back, found a new top, and sold off even harder. So these three levels of liquidity are very, very strong levels of liquidity, which I hope we can take out today. Because if we can, then I can give you guys a really good setup. But yeah. Let me see. I need 15 bucks to pass 5 accounts. Do not rush it, bro. Do not rush a trade. Wait for something to be clear, and then you take the trade. And make sure you trade like 1 micro, bro. Don't be dumb. Don't be dumb and trade 10 micros when you're $15 away from passing. Right? Just do one, and you'll be good. Did you get another trade after the shorts? No, bro. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Right now I'm sitting not pretty green. I'm sitting green. Like not something crazy, but we're green. We're green so far. Now I want to get one more trade. Let me see. First PA trade was an L. Then this morning we made a little bit of it back. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Question. First time using Apex. And when I pressed sell, I got completely wrong and had no idea how to put the stop loss. Oh, okay. So here, bro. It's fine. It's fine. It's trial and error, bro. But here, this should help you out. Let me find it. Here, watch this video before you keep trading, cause don't make this mistake. Reverse off of 805, possibly. I would need to see. I would need to see. I need to see the reaction. But yeah, guys. By the way, there's 300 of you guys in here, 380, and there's about 66 on YouTube, guys. Let me see. Wait. Let me see. Okay, guys, what's it called? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, guys, tomorrow is FOMC. Let me ask you guys, how many of you guys are trading tomorrow? I'm really hoping not many of you guys. I know there's gonna be that one person that wants to trade, but yeah, no. Tomorrow, for those that are new to the premium or new to the calls or whatever, or new to the markets in general, guys, tomorrow, try to avoid it. Try to avoid it. I know, we're hyped up. Trump won. The markets are good and all that stuff. But guys, tomorrow, please be careful. Please be careful. I'm personally not gonna trade tomorrow. I do not like trading FOMC. It is not good. It's not worth it. First of all, the market gets really choppy. The market gets really slow and indecisive. And when FOMC comes along, you guys can't really predict what's gonna happen. It's all a gamble. So you guys know I'm all about perfect setups. So that is not something that aligns with my strategy. All right, guys. So please, if you guys are gonna trade tomorrow, at least know your risk and just be careful if you guys are gonna trade it. Sorry, I just joined. What was the trade you took today? We ended up taking shorts, bro. We ended up taking shorts off of a fair value cap projection, and we ended up sniping a quick 40 points. It was like a 5-minute trade. How much you have to make on the 25K before the payout? I'm pretty sure it's 26.5K, but now it might be 27 rules. But you gotta read over that. You're not gonna trade. Will you look for a setup? No. I mean, if I'm suggesting you guys don't trade tomorrow, I'm not gonna give you guys a setup to then trade tomorrow. You know what I mean? Like I said, guys, just try to avoid tomorrow. It's the best thing you could possibly do. Trust me, guys. FOMC happens every month, and every month I tell you guys don't trade it, and it's always a good thing. It's better to protect your capital rather than trading something that you don't know the outcome of. It was 2 minutes. Oh, it was a 2-minute trade. Okay, well, we made 40 points in 2 minutes then. Yep. No, no, it was 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Yeah, yeah. We entered at 10:04, and we got out at 10:08 for 40 points. How do you trim while copy trading? You just sell less than what you have, bro. Bro, what? uh, do you have a video showing how to mark out each level of liquidity? Yeah, bro, of course, bro. I have, guys. With any video that you guys want me to do, I already have it posted. Here, bro. Let me go ahead and send it over to you. Right here. I'm up a band, David. Should I still trade, bro? If I give you $1,000 right now, bro, like, come on, bro. Obviously not, bro. You're done for the day. You made $1,000. You might have a restriction on. No, no, no. It's on top. The limit is 1.5k. You're good. You're good. They have a video on how to join the Diddy party. Anyways, uh, um, if we take out highs at 804 where the market keep pushing upwards, well, we of course need to see the reaction that the market wants to do off of 804 or 805. I see you always sell half or a little bit more when you're up around 35 points. Yeah, I always do that. I always do that. So if my first price target does not get hit, but we're up about 30 to 35 points, I will always trim at least half of my position. Hey, bro, it's better safe than sorry. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. Keep this in mind. No one has ever gone broke taking profits, right? So yeah, it's either we take profits at PT1 or half of the profits at PT1, or we what's it called? What was I gonna say? We take half of the profits at around 35 points, just so you could be safe. David, I'm in profit and need to go do some things, so I'm wondering if you'll still send out a game plan when the next possible setup appears. Of course, bro. Yeah, that's my job. Of course. But yeah, but if you're in profit, bro, just there's nothing wrong with calling it a day. I'm not gonna lie, David. I didn't think you were being dead ass when you said November would be a great month, but no joke, this has been the best month. The this has been this has been the best I've ever started to a month. Don't want to get ahead of myself. Yeah, no, don't. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. But bro, we focus on each day, day by day, bro, and we make money, bro. I'm telling you, the volume should be spiking up because of course it's elections. New rules starting today. Can't go into channel more than 30%. Oh, Apex never said that. I gotta check up on that. Let me see. Today would have been a loss if you didn't trim. Well, I mean, bro, we were up 40 points. It's a no-brainer to trim, whether you liked it or not. But in the meantime, guys, let's see if we can take out 805 so we can see a rejection off of that. There's a video. Oh, okay. I gotta check up on that, Bowser. I gotta check up on that. Market is pumping due to election, not because of November. Yeah, of course. But you gotta keep in mind, November election. You put two and two together, a lot of volume. But no, I never said that November in general is just a month where it pumps. The reason I said November and I was hyping it up is because of election day, guys. I thought it was a little bit clear. But yeah, so far we are pretty good to this week, guys. So far we've gotten a 125-point trade on Monday, and we are on Wednesday with another 40-point trade. So hopefully, I know tomorrow we're not gonna trade. So but Friday, guys, I'm gonna make sure we get a 100-point trade. I'm gonna do everything in my power to get one last trade going for the week. But overall, guys, amazing week so far. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let me see. We have to wait, bro. Damn it, if we get it. I make 10k. I mean, bro, I don't know what you're sizing, bro, but we'll see. Let me see. I've never gotten a 100-point trade. I tend to get out early. Okay, this goes for everyone, guys. If you guys think that, I mean, guys, it's as simple as, look, you trim most of your keep in mind, guys, I've never held a trade completely to 100 points, right? I always trim at around 30, 35, maybe 40, maybe even 50 points, right? Then I just leave my runners with a break-even stop loss. If I don't get stopped out, okay, that's fine. I just let the trade do its thing, right? We have all day for the trade to just keep going up or down or wherever, and then we just go from there. You know what I mean? And then you just hold the final contracts until 100 points, 200, 300, or however much. 160 with 7 trims. I'm down 160. I mean, how much do you trim? That's the problem. How many contracts on the 25k do I have to take? Oh, do 5 micros. I had like a little like a brain fart. David, do you copy trade all your accounts at the same time? Yep, I do. New high of day. Yep, we finally took out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I wanted to see a sweep off of 805, but I really want to see a sweep off of 846, just because it's a way stronger level of liquidity. I trim -4. How many points? Dave, I know why I help, because I'm trying to pass an eval, and let's say this happens again and trim around 20 points at least. Try to do 30. Try to do 30 points. I never really trim at 20 points. Sometimes I do, depends on the market, but I usually do like 30, 35 for my first trims, unless it hits price target. How come you say it's a strong level? Okay, guys. Okay, look. When I say it's a strong level, just know that. Okay, look. When the market is creating drawn liquidity, right? When the market creates drawn liquidity, depending on how strong that high followed with the rejection is, it depends, right? Because look, here it is. Let me show you guys an example, right? So, let's say for example, the market is in a downtrend, right? The market had a very big sell-off, pushed up like crazy, and had an even bigger sell-off, right? Then it had a mini pullback, and then it had a mini sell-off like this, right? Which level? Wait, hold on. Let me see. Okay, let me ask you guys. Which level of liquidity do you think is a stronger level of liquidity here? Let me quiz you guys in the chat. Which level of liquidity do you think is a stronger level here? 1, exactly. Why? Because the market had a way stronger a way stronger reaction off of this level, with a lot more buying or selling coming in, right? So what ends up happening here? Well, there's a lot more, since the market is dumping like crazy, there's a lot more volume that is interested in this sell-off, which creates more liquidity. Now, when you have a mini sell-off like this, it shows that there's not much volume coming into the market, which means not enough liquidity being formed in the market, right? So what does this mean? Well, let's look at the market real time, right? If we're looking at this current level at 805, right? Sure, the market had a mini pullback, right? It had a pretty good pullback, right? Let's see how many points. We had about a 160 point pullback, right? Which, don't get me wrong, it's pretty good, right? But there's definitely better levels out there, right? So if we go to the higher time frame, like the 30-minute time frame, and we zoom out into 847 or 846, my bad, right? We're gonna go all the way back. 846 should be right around here, right? Look at this level, guys. We sold off, we pulled back, we found this high, and then we eventually dumped more than 600 points. So you guys tell me, what's stronger? A 160 point sell-off or a 600 point sell-off? Obviously there's a lot more liquidity in this 847 846 level rather than an 805 level. Now, I'm not saying the 805 level won't play out, but you can get a lot more of a better reaction, more of a reaction that you would want to see off of 846, right? But either or, whichever level could still work out, because right now we are currently trying to sweep this level as well, right? Keep that in mind, guys. Look at this. We are trying to sweep this level. So we'll see. What does SMT mean? Okay, SMT means, okay, you guys know ES and NQ, they follow each other. But there's going to be times where either NQ or ES are stronger than one another, right? So say, for example, the market is in a bullish trend, but NQ is only going up, but not breaking new highs, but ES is going up and breaking new highs. So which one has a stronger SMT? ES does, right? So you can go ahead and use ES as kind of an indicator to see where the market can top out of, you know, or like if it hits drawn liquidity first, you know that if ES starts selling off, although NQ has not, you know, hit drawn liquidity, NQ can also follow along and start selling off out of complete nowhere, right? So for example, guys, you guys know I said that NQ, it kind of reversed out of nowhere, which it did, right? Well, guys, you guys got to keep in mind, NQ didn't have the SMT. ES was a lot weaker than NQ was, meaning that ES was, you know, it just had more selling volume, right? So with the selling volume coming along, guys, right, although NQ kind of sold off out of nowhere, if you guys look at ES ended up taking out this really nice low and then reversing right back up, right? So once again, guys, ES and NQ, for those that don't know, they're kind of, think of them like brothers. They do everything together. If one is going up, there's a good chance that the other one is also going up, right? So with ES taking out liquidity here, although NQ didn't take out any levels of liquidity, with ES taking out liquidity and having the stronger SMT, what this means is that with ES going up, NQ can also start going up alongside with it out of nowhere, although it didn't even take out liquidity, right? So that's how we use SMT to our advantage, right? We kind of identify which one is stronger. Once we're able to identify it, we just watch that one to see when it takes out liquidity. Once it does, we will know if the other one could possibly sweep as well. So hopefully that summed it up. Let me know. Let me see. So on MNQZ, I have to take 5 contract base on the pick, and I have to put it. What do you mean? Try to reword that a little bit better. By the way, guys, we're getting the sweep that we want to see off of 805, which is beautiful. Now we could probably get one more trade going here. We can get one more trade going here, guys. We're getting the setup that we wanted to see off of 805, which is beautiful. We took out liquidity up there. We're getting the liquidity sweep, which is amazing. All right, guys, IFEG. There's really nothing to... Well, you could probably inverse this one. But you don't have to make the text huge, bro. I'll read your chat, bro. Don't worry. I'll read your chat. But yeah, guys. We can either inverse this one, or we can create a fair value up here and get the same trade that we got earlier before, and we take the same exact entry. Let me see. Alright, I'm going back to sleep. Thanks. I got you, bro. Take it easy, my man. Take it easy. 7 contracts? It depends. I need to see the volume. Cut the reversal off the top. Hey, bro, you took the liquidity sweep? For nice. Bro, KP, you have been making some serious money on those PAs, bro. Sheesh. Bro, bro, you've been killing it, bro. Big time, bro. Huge congrats to you, man. What does PA stand for? I'm pretty sure it stands for performance account. I think performance account. There's nothing at 46. Yeah, there is, bro. I just showed you guys on the chart. Real money. Yep. PA stands for okay. There's an eval phase and there's a PA phase. So yeah. Looking for shorts on the inverse. I want to see shorts off of this up here. Appreciate you, fam. This service is the shit. Hey, bro, thank you, man. Thank you, bro. All credit goes to you, bro. You're the one doing it. Come on now. Can we use the same for value? Yeah, sort of. Okay, guys, let me see. Bro, we are selling strong. Let me see what we can trade off here. Okay, so we have a pretty nice fair value gap here, but we're kind of sandwiched in between two here. So let's see what we could trade off here. Because we can either retrace into this one and sell off into this fair value gap, or we can inverse this one and target liquidity below these two levels of liquidity. Was it 805 level? I mean, bro, you don't have to zoom out. It's right here. It's the New York high from 940. How do you do 7 cons on Tradebait? Bro, you just type on the little box, you just highlight it and type 7. That's it. Inverse incoming, are you taking it? I'll see, bro. If anything, worst comes to worst, guys, I'll just commentate behind it. I'm pretty green on day. I'm really happy with it. And obviously, the last thing I want to do is give back. So if I have to commentate behind it, I'll do that. I don't mind. I just don't want to get off too early, and I want to give you guys some more setups so you guys can go ahead and trade it. Yeah, just do one. But make sure you're trading MQZ. Bro, you don't have to add me, bro. You're good. I'll read your chat. Don't worry. Because guys, anytime you guys add me, it just shows up on my screen. It's really distracting. It hit my final TP and I'm up for 18. Nice, bro. Nice, nice, nice. David, do you trade 50 micros? I used to, and now I moved down to 10. Just because I'm copy trading a lot more accounts and I don't want that pressure on my back. So I'm happy with 10. Please repeat the setup. I got you. Okay, so Viv, super simple. Market the liquidity sweep, and now we want to go down. Go down into where? Really simple. We target liquidity 1 at 644 and liquidity 2 at 580. Right? Now, for the setup wise, it's going to be a little bit confusing here. Right? In the setup, we have a fair value gap right here, and we also have 1-2 inverse right here. So depending on whichever one we go into first, you can base your entry off of that one. So if you guys want to get a riskier per earlier entry, you can do it off of this one. If you guys want to get a safer per later entry, you guys can do it off of this inverse. Whichever one, I would say that it's pretty good. I think this video should be it. No, not that one. Okay. You're pretty good there? Bro, what? You shade the same way on EVA accounts? Yep. Guys, treat those accounts like a real account. That's how you guys actually pass them. I have them all. I'm working on all of them all together. Diamonds. Just stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Blast, you taking this or just commentating? I might just do commentary. But regardless, I'll make sure you guys make some money. Don't worry. What accounts do you use on Apex? I use 50Ks. 50. Why not the bigger ones? I like 50Ks. I mean, they're pretty easy to pass. They're pretty easy to get the payouts on. You don't have to do a whole lot of work for nothing. I mean, if you're copy trading, bro, you can make a shit ton of money even off the 25Ks. As long as it's a copy trading account. Isn't this setup better than the last? It's kind of the same thing. It's really the same thing. When I hear just commentary, okay, Desert, don't think that. Like I said, I always say this. I will never give you guys something that I personally wouldn't take. The only reason I'm not really taking it is because I already made the money in the market. You know what I mean? I already made the money in the market. But like I always say, guys, I will never, ever give you guys something that I personally would never take or even suggest to you guys. Will you let us know in the entry? Yeah, of course, 100%, always. Your Wi-Fi's bugging out? Man. Yeah. Trade after FOMC comes out? No, bro. FOMC lasts pretty much the entire afternoon until market close. Yeah, no, I don't do FOMC. Just avoid the day, bro. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. If FOMC, why not trade in the morning? Because there's a lot of anticipation in the morning that many people, just there's not enough investors. So the volume in the morning is going to be completely dead until FOMC starts. Keep that in mind. Should the candle be 40 plus points? No, the candle. Yeah, the candle. How often can you trade out 20 point for value gap? You can't. There's not enough volume in that candle. No, I'm not interested in that fair value gap. No. I like this one below a lot more. Your voice is cutting off. I know, man. Let me see if I can fix this. Hold up. I know I have an extender somewhere, but setting that up is gonna take way too long. So I'll probably do it after the stream. I ended up getting an extender. I just never set it up. Let me see if this works. There you go. Why don't you like that fair value gap? Because, bro, if you take this inverse, you have to worry about a whole nother inverse right below it. Just, I'd rather just wait. I know I cut off an explanation to the commentary. Like, damn. Bro. Guys, the reason I like the fair value gap a lot more down here, it's common sense, guys. If you inverse this, you have a whole nother fair value gap to worry about and possibly get stopped out before you even get any trims. So I much rather wait for both of them to get inversed and then I take the trade. So you don't really have anything holding you back from going any lower. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah. It's pretty simple. So we want to see it hit 710. Retrace to 720. No. If we see it hit 710, we want to see it inverse. But if we were looking for a retracement, we want to see it hit about 780, and then we go down. How do you group trade on TraderBait? At the where your accounts are, just click accounts, and it's gonna say group. You click group, and then you just drag them all together. Let me check something real quick. Hold up. Let me see. So far, buyers are kind of like, eh. Yeah, with group trading, is that the quantity option? How many content per account? Per con? Let me screen. That part I don't know too much about. What time is it? I bet. Okay, let me ask you guys. Wait, let me see. So on each of my Apex accounts, I have it says it as 1. Yeah, I have it as 1 as well, and I trade just fine with it. I'm done for the day. 760 on the day. Oh, 253 each. Guys, by the way, once again, if you guys are green for today, guys, go post those wins in the wins channel. But yeah, by the way, guys, what's it called? What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, since we're kind of already green today, guys, what time would you guys want to give the markets before we kind of call it a day today? Like 11, 11:30ish. Yeah, I'll say 11:30. Yeah, 11:30 sounds fair. I'm sure by the time we hit 11:30, we should have the setup already played out. Do you have any video explaining what liquidity points you target? Yeah, bro, of course. I have a million videos on that, actually. Hold on, let me go and send it over to you. Give me 1 second. Right here and right here. There you go, bro. Those 2 videos should help you out to the T, bro. I'm up 58 bucks. Will I post it? Bro, fuck it, bro. You guys gotta think. You guys gotta think. When you guys are up, let's say for example 20 bucks, maybe 50, maybe even 100. In trading, it might not seem like much, but when you guys gotta think, like say for example, if you guys like work a job, you guys gotta think that could be X amount of hours that I made in a few minutes by clicking a button. You get what I'm saying? Always look at the bright side, guys. Always. I know when it comes to trading, you guys are always comparison is always the what is it? The biggest thief in joy, whatever that is. But yeah, no, guys, like shit. When I made my first $10 when I was doing option trading, bro, I was happy as hell. You guys gotta stop comparing yourself to other people when it comes to profits. Making $100, maybe making $50, that's X amount of time at work. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, we're getting the selling to come in right here. So let's see if we can get some good short positions here. I might just do commentary and just see if we can target liquidity below. Like I said, I do believe in 580 by the end of the day, but we'll see how the volume comes along. We will see. You think the volume is too bad? No, actually the volume is pretty good, especially for it being 11 o'clock, where the volume usually dies down. The volume today is really, really good, thanks to Trump, or thanks to elections, not Trump. Or well, he plays a big role in that too, but. Let's see, the selling volume is coming in really, really hot, guys. Really hot. Let's see if we can get this inverse. And ES has a lot of room to go lower. ES has room into 900. So we could definitely see some downside here. I don't want to take it if the volume is bad. Well, I mean, if you look at it that way, then yeah, of course. If you let yourself down, then you're not going to be confident in the trade. That's the last thing you should be doing, bro. Always be confident in your trade, bro. Although the trade might look bad or, whatever, always look at the bright side, bro, But yeah, right now we're currently respecting this midpoint of the fair value gap. Let's see if we can get the inverse here. Let me check on the YouTube chat. Um, I'm not confident in shorts since the election results. Guys, you guys gotta keep in mind, just because Trump won does not mean that the market will only go up. You know that, right? People are gonna be selling. People are, just because Trump won does not mean that the market's only gonna go up. It's just there's gonna be a lot more. There's gonna be a lot more volume, but it's not only gonna be going up. Keep in mind. I mean, shit, we even made money off shorts today. Can you share why you prefer the 5 minute time frame? Oh, okay, simple. The 5 minute time frame, you get enough of a reading in the market. It's not too much, but not too little. You know what I mean? It's like the perfect time frame. I can't really explain why it's good. I mean, all the time frames have the same price. You just can see a lot more of what's happening in the smaller time frame. I don't use TradingView, Shay. I do not use TradingView to trade. I use TradingView. I have TradingView over on my second monitor. I have Discord, YouTube, and TradingView opened. Okay, guys, we're about to get this inverse really soon. So if you guys are gonna go ahead and for today at least, take trades light. Like do like maybe half your position that you usually do. Okay, guys, we're about to get this inverse right here. We're about to get this inverse. Let's see how this holds up. Light, yeah, do light. If you guys are gonna take this, do light, do light. I would much rather have you guys doing it light. Now if you guys are green for today and you guys are happy with it, don't even bother taking the trade. Just call it a day. Yeah, of course, I'll let you guys know. Always, I'll always let you guys know. But alright, guys, we are getting the selling here. So far we're not holding it down just yet, so no entry is presented just yet. I'll let you guys know. I really want to see if I can type this in the commentary chat, but it's gonna take way too long. So I much rather just have it on YouTube. Let's see. If we could break below 707, I would say that's a good point to look for an entry, guys. For those that are gonna take it. So if we could break below the 707 price, like with some volume, there it is. I would say an entry would be good around there. But do as you guys like. I don't know if you guys like less volume, more volume. You know what I mean? But so far, price is struggling to break this. We want to start seeing more selling to come in here. So if you guys want to wait for a pop and get a later entry, longs. No, we're looking at shorts, bro. I'm gonna commentate behind shorts. That's what we're waiting on. That's what we're looking for. And if we can get, it'll be a +1 if we can get a close below, because this candle closes in 15 seconds. But yeah, we would say that we have downside up until 900 on ES. But we'll see. We'll see. My answer when the candle closes. Yeah, you can either do when the candle closes or if we break this candle low right here. That's all that matters right now. This candle low. Right, so 707, 705, around that range. If we get a pop there, you guys enter. But if this inverse can't hold up, then just forget about the setup. It says, yes, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I've said it a million times. Yes, I will tell you guys. Yes, you guys can't stop asking now. We're on a golden fib level and a fair value gap, so I can see why we're struggling. Yeah, 100%, 100%. But to the upside, I just don't see why we should go up. I really don't see why. Yes, it's in a pretty clear bearish trend right here, creating lower highs, lower lows. We just need to see a pop to the downside here. I'm green for the day and calling it. Yeah, bro, 100%. If you guys took green off the first trade, just take it. Why not? This is for the people that didn't trade or want to keep trading. Of course, you guys are running your own risk, so just know that. But let's see. All right, so we're getting the next sell-off here, which is amazing. What you guys could do if you guys want to play safe is you guys can wait for a nice. You guys place your stop loss at wherever this candle rejects from, and then you guys enter. I would say like around 705 off the break from 705. Yeah, bro. If you're up $1,000, bro, just stop trading, bro. Stop being, stop trading, bro. If you're up 1,000, it's common sense. I'm gonna go to city in person. I'm still waiting on my business license for LLC. Okay, it shouldn't be taking that long. It depends on the state, of course, but try to see in person. Try to see in person. But yeah, bro, if you're up 1,500, bro, call it. You're gonna look, bro. If the trade goes against you, you're gonna get emotional. You're gonna want to overtrade. Just call it, bro. It's common sense, man. For the first trade we had, no, because I sized light, Purin. Keep that in mind. I sized really light. Yeah, so if it went against me, I will probably lose the same amount as I were to if I traded full with the 25 point stop loss. No, bro, don't even size light, bro. Just learn how to call it a day, bro. Like, why are you still trade? If you guys made $1,000 on the day, call it a day, bro. Like, it's common sense. It's literally common sense. Green today, calling. Yeah, bro. Same here. That's why I'm sticking to commentary. See, whenever this trade, I can go ahead and inverse, so you guys can get that. Hey, for those getting off, guys, go take it easy, guys. I'll see you on Friday, because tomorrow, don't even bother getting on. The markets with FOMC is not worth. Yeah, bro. If you're up 1,000, bro, that's literally greed at its finest. Like, you want more after you made 1,000. Like, bro, call it. And that goes for everyone else. If you guys are green, just get off. I want to see you guys leave this voice chat. But yeah, so far this fair value gap is not holding up like how we wanted to. So if it doesn't hold up, then we can't really take anything off of it. I'll give it, if this candle closes up here, then forget about it. Just because you usually make 2K with me and you made 1K today does not mean that you should keep forcing out trades to make the extra 1,000. Stop being greedy and just be grateful, bro. You made 1,000. Yeah. Have a good day. Hey, bro, take it easy, Braden. Take it easy, my man. Take it easy, bro. Um, we're in? No, no, no. Not yet, not yet. Don't worry. Not yet, not yet. We're waiting for a possible inverse, but if we can't get it, then it's going to be a pretty big issue. We need to get it in this one candle. Because if not, then the fair value gap won't be that valid. Hey, bro, peace out, Mo. I'll see you on Friday, bro. If price bounces off of fair value gap, can it bounce off of it again? Yeah, I can bounce off of it a million times. As long as the fair value gap does not get filled, we're good. Okay, so we flipped this candle back from green to red, which is beautiful. Now let's see if we can hold up this red candle right here. We have 33 seconds into it. You should be on the PM? No, I'm only doing AM today because we already got the trade that we wanted. The only reason I do PM session, guys, is when I don't get a trade for the AM. I'm like, okay, well, you know. But let's see, guys. We're holding below this fair value gap again. If we can get a break below 705, try to look for a 25-point stop loss entry and just base it off that. But we need a pop below. We need a very strong sell-off below to get the entry. Because right now, price seems like it's struggling a little bit, which is not a good sign. Let me see. For the kill zone indicator, what settings do you use to keep the chart so minimal? It's simple, bro. It's really simple. Just here, before the chart plays out, go to inputs. If you want pause the stream, here are the settings. Just focus on these boxes right here, and then go to style and turn off boxes and labels, and that's it. Now this candle closed, which is not something I like to see, but if we can get a big pop below this, maybe you guys can get a good entry. I don't know. I wouldn't say the risk is getting worse and worse with this setup. Like, the setup is getting uglier and uglier. But yeah, I'm not taking this anymore. Yeah, no, it's getting. Oh well, we're getting something now, but it is definitely getting a little bit uglier with the wicks and all that stuff with the bounces. Not something I really like to see, but let's see if we can break below. I just want to see if we break below, if we can shoot down into 644. That's all I want to see. Plus, how come you said we could trade again on like previous trading days? Just because we got a scalp and I just wasn't super happy with that trade. I wanted to see lower, so you know what I mean. I want to kind of put the money where my mouth is. You know what I mean. So I stayed on for a little bit longer to see if we can go into lower. But let's see, guys. We need to break below 705. If we break that with strong volume, you guys can consider an entry around there. But let's see. So far, we're not getting the strong volume coming in yet. We're kind of just playing around the 705 level. We need a very strong pop. If we can get that, I'm sure we can shoot down into 644. At least 644. And ES also has room for lower as well. But let's see. And then just, you know, if you guys were to enter, just stick to the usual 25-point thing. Let me see. I just want to say thank you for being a stand-up guy. Your industry is trash when it comes to mentors. Hey, bro. Appreciate you, my man. It means a lot to me, bro. It means a lot to me. Thank you, bro. That really means the world to me. Okay, guys, we're getting the pop here. So now is when you guys will start looking for an entry. Now, let's see if we can shoot straight into 644. Did you guys enter off that? Off the pop? Maybe I'm sure you guys probably got a later entry, maybe around the 700 range. Right? 702, 700. I'm sure, definitely not 705, but 700. Yeah, I'm just commentating. I'm just commentating, my man. I already made my profits for the day, bro. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Yeah. I'm just commentating. I want to see. I want to see if we can get a, you know, the buys that I really want to see to the downside. Now let's see if the selling can hold down. I mean, so far it looks like it wants to hold, but with the volume kind of slowing down going into lunch hour, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys size light if you guys are risking to take this, because the volume is a little bit iffy. A little bit iffy. Let's see. Let me delete this level so I don't get you guys confused. Plus, this candle also closes in 2 minutes. So let's see if we can hold that. ES is looking very nice with an SMT, so we should be able to see lower very, very soon. Although NQ is kind of holding up a little bit, I don't think we have anything to worry about for now. Up until ES kind of just shows a reversal. But let's see. The volume is weird. Because we got the inverse, and there's nothing holding us down on ES for us to be bouncing up a little bit like this. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm in at 697. So you entered at 697. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Oh wait, 697. You'll be fine. Just make sure you have a 25-point stop loss. Yeah, you'll be fine. By the way, guys, I'm not in. I want you guys to, I want it to be clear. Just in case someone joins late or whatever. I'm not in. I'm just kind of commentating to see what the market does, to see if we can shoot lower. Yeah, not the greatest entry. Yeah, it happens, bro. Don't worry. Don't worry. But yeah, we're wicking up, which is not something I was expecting off this inverse. I'm keeping a big eye on ES since ES has the bearish SMT here. But we'll see. Price is still playing around this. I'm pretty sure we're going to get some buyer exhaustion very soon. So if you guys are in, for now, just don't be too worried. As long as we can close below this inverse, I think we should be good to go. Plus, guys, once again, if you guys look at the bigger picture, we have nothing stopping us down on ES till 900 and on NQ till 644. Keep that in mind. Now, if price wants to play with us and mess us up a little bit, well, then, that's price, But we'll see. We should see a rejection very, very soon. Price is kind of freezing here. I mean, we are approaching lunch hour. I think it's slowly getting down to liquidity. Yeah, that could be the case. That could be the case. But this pump up, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting this pump up. Okay. Well, I passed my top set reval, so I'm chilling out. Bro, congrats. Congrats. Bro, how much did you size, bro? Oh my. I already knew I was going to come up. By the way, guys, this never got hit. Well, it depends on where you guys entered from, of course. Yeah, this pump up, I was really not expecting it. Maybe chop? We'll see. So far, it hasn't even hit the stop loss that we were going to have. Itchy to close my stop. Bro, if you haven't gone to stop, just leave it. Leave it. Sakade, I'm down 160. I don't get how you guys are down. Like I said, I still believe we go lower. But I don't know where you guys place your stop loss at. 727 is my stop at the moment. 727. Oh, so you have it at the top of the fair value gap. Okay, but 732. Okay, but yeah, that's a lot better then, I would say. The thing is, I'm just kind of confused on why I would say maybe slow price action. Of course, we are heading into lunch, so we can argue that price is gonna get slower. But I don't see why we're getting a push up here inside of this fair value gap when we shouldn't be. We got everything confirmed. You know, I'm pretty sure we should see lower very soon. Just how soon though? That's the real question. How soon? I'm way too late with my entries. Trying to make sure it'll keep trending the same way down. Okay, go get water, bro. I'll do you guys a favor. But yeah, we are getting candle flips here, which is what we're expecting. I just don't know why buyers are still trying to step in here. It really makes kind of zero sense. But we'll give the market some more time. Let's see what it does. One tick, no, 1 point. 1 point on MNQ is $2 per contract. Seems like chop. Yeah, no, we are heading into lunch hour a little bit. So we are heading into lunch hour a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna catch up with everything here. But yeah, no, this pump up it's really don't see why. I really don't see why. Yeah, this thing's about to get stopped. For those that are in. Yeah, no, that pump was weird. Yeah, no. Definitely not. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, guys, get out of that. If you guys enter that one, the commentary, just get out of that one. Call it a day? Yeah, I would say so. I would say the market is slowing down a little bit. It's looking like it's not worth it. That's my profits for the day. Bro. It's fine, bro. It's fine. We'll get it back. Don't worry. For those that lost your profits, I don't know why you guys took the trade, but it's fine. But guys, I guess the market seems like it's kind of like yeah, no, this thing is getting choppy. This thing is getting really choppy. Missed the first one, enter here and took the L. It's fine, bro. Don't even stress it. It's just the market is getting, yeah, it's getting a little bit weird. Price was clear and then it just got slow. Let me see. Makes 600 in London. But guys, why are you guys risking all your profits in one trade? That's the thing. I literally told you guys, try to size light if you're gonna take this. Greed? Yeah. That's what it is. Price is being kind of weird today. Well, keep in mind, it is Trump got elected, so volume is going to be all over the place. But yeah, no, prices, it's not even worth trading anymore. Right now, it's looking a little bit messy. A little bit messy. Win and loss, win and loss, win and loss. But guys, I guess, would you guys be down to call it since price is getting weird? Like getting slow? Yeah, call it. I would say so. Come back Friday and hopefully get back. No, don't worry, guys. Don't worry about Friday. I got you guys on Friday for sure. Today was kind of like a little bit messy, I would say. We got the winning alert, but the commentary, because I kept trying to give you guys something, just got a little bit slow. But yeah, guys, I guess let's just call it for now. It's the markets are not pretty. I mean, look at this. We're wicking left and right. Definitely not worth it. All right, guys. So yeah, let's just call it for now. Let's just call it for now. All right, guys. If anything, if I see something PM, I guess I'll come back. If it's perfect, I'll come back. No trading tomorrow. No, don't do FMC. Don't do FMC. It's not worth it. It's really not worth it. Friday, yeah, no, Friday, yes. Friday, yes. All right, guys. If anything, I'll be active in the chat then. If I see anything come up. All right, guys. But yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in the chat then. All right, peace out, guys. Take it easy. I don't know if you guys want to argue if today was good, decent, or bad. Depending on if you took the commentary or not. But yeah. All right, guys. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you guys later in the. Or I'll be active in the chat. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. I'll see you guys on Friday then. All right. Peace out, guys. Peace. And Yusuf, guys. Unfortunately, this commentary didn't really play out as expected. I'm personally still agreeing with a few others. Some people in the chat maybe might have taken the L off this commentary. The market just got a little bit ugly. You know, we can't really beat it. But guys, if you guys want to go ahead and join the premium, guys, I have a 50% off code going on right now. If you guys want to join any upgrade, use code 5050. And it'll give you guys 50% off any premium upgrade. Click the first link in the description and it'll be there. Alright, guys? But yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday since I am not trading tomorrow due to FOMC. Alright, guys? Peace out, guys. Peace.